So you have trained about more than 1 million people. What are the common success patterns that you have seen over here?
Number one success pattern, they got certified in AI tools. Number two, they started implementing these tools for their work. And number three, they knew how to apply for the job and how to prepare for the job interviews by using AI. So they automated it as well, right? And they learned all of this in just my 3 hours workshop, in which they got understanding of top 10 AI tools, which are heavily boosting productivity of every working professional. And they ended up getting 40, 50, 80% salary hikes, right? That's why 1 million of my students have rated me 4.92 out of 5. Can you imagine, right?
Wow.
And this workshop, I usually, like in 2024-25, I charge like 2,000, 3,000 rupees to the folks. But in 2026, I feel there is an urgent need for every single working professional. If you are working on a computer, there is an urgent need for you to master and get certified in AI. Right? So that's why I'm going to keep this workshop just at ₹9. So anyone can join and get certified. The only catch, I'm doing this for limited seats, right? I can't do this for everyone. At the end of the day, even I have to do something, right? So I'm doing this for limited seats. So you can register at just ₹9.
Okay, and they enroll by clicking on the link in the bio?
Absolutely.
Perfect.